Welcome back to the channel. Uh, Thanks. I got a couple new subscribers. Very good. Awesomely good. But this is kind of a follow-up on my last video with rice. But anyway, you never know what you're going to find here. It's always a little different, a little something. Who knows? Just me doing my thing, right, in the bunker. I'm what you call a minimalist, but I use 21st century technology, right? I'm not living in a cave. Anyway, so what do you say? Let's recap a little and then finish this up. So I started out with some omega long grain rice, okay? No big deal, right? Then we went to then we brought out the 12-volt Hello Kitty rice cooker, right? And came up with this, and then we put it in the fridge. So say it with me. Let's go to the lab and do some 24-hour rice. Now here on the bench we have our camping wok, because again it's just going to be one meal. Wasn't sure exactly what I was going to do with this. I have no idea. So we're going to do some frying of the rice. Now I wanted to make sure it wasn't sticking, because the frying rice is interesting in this little pan. But pretty okay so far. Not bad at all. Do another overhead here, or side view rather. Check it out. Nice. Not sure really what I'm looking for or whatever yet. I don't know, but we're going to do this. I'm going to put that in a bowl, and then we're going to start the next piece, okay? So here's an overhead view and then into the bowl. And then we're going to do the next phase. What's that? Oh, look at that. Some smoked oysters, right? With red chilies and whatnot in it. Check it out, dude. Why not? Look at that. Oh, wonderful so far. Flavor building. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm out of control. What do you say? Let's see some overhead culinary skills, all right? I had this oil in there, so I might as well use it, right? Look at that, all minced up. Now, I didn't want to have big chunks of it, so I diced it up very small. Again, if you look at fried rice, it's got peas and things and stuff. Well, I don't have any of that. So here we go. Oh, what's that? Check that out, ladies and gentlemen. Did you see the? Oh, we have shrimp to go in this too. Look at that. Dry it off very nicely too, right? Look at that. Ooh. Very nice. Again, I wasn't sure whether or not if you're interested in the size, it's 680 or whatever. Again, I didn't know whether to chop them up or what to do with them, so I figured I'd do a little this. Watch this. Just a little dusting on it, okay? Wow, just a little bit too. No, that's not flour. That's cornstarch. Just to give it just a little dusting, nothing crazy, okay? And then bang into the wok. Now again, the pictures are a little deceiving because some of them are brown, more browner than others, and the pictures you really can't see. But we're going to cook them as much as I want. I don't want to overcook them, right? There's no stick a toothpick in and pull it out and see if there's any shrimp on it like you do bakery. So we'll just do it this way, nothing fancy. I mean, they're all curled up in little circles nicely. There you go. Nice. See the culinary skill? There's the spatula again. You know what? I eat pretty good. So here we go. Check this out now. What's this? Uh-oh, looks like we're preparing for something else. What is this? Oh, how about chicken and onion diced up? Oh, smells wonderful already, right? A little overhead view of the dicage. Look at this. Nice. Oil all popping. Perfect. Perfect. And again, the chicken's already cooked. So just hitting it with some oil and some frying. Very nice. Uh-oh. What's this? Uh-oh. It's uh-oh. Let's see. Got some lard going. Yeah. Yeah. And it's... Oh, what was that? Looked like a swirly something. Let's see if we can catch it on the overhead here. All right, what's going on? What's going on? Yep, there it is. There it is. So it looks like egg whites being spun around. Let's make sure here. Yep. Egg whites the way I do them. No snot, no nothing. Nice and dry. Very lovely. All right. Now what? Usually I hit it with the yolk about now. Let's see. Don't know. Angled shot. Yep, there it is. Now, I don't want, because this is going to be in the egg mixture, right? Normally they do scrambled with the egg and the yolk together, right? And that's how they get that red. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it my way, separating, and then cook down the yolk into a little bit more of a paste. That's what I'm doing here. Just slowly rendering the water out, right? And then almost there. Very nice. And then bang, let's hit it with all the fixins. Look at that. Pow! Very nice. Look at that. You know what's all in that, right? Look how yummy that is. I guess we're going to scrape it into the container. There you go. Why not? All behind the scenes stuff, ladies and gentlemen. This is the kitchen. Anyway, so look at that. That's right. We really do cook here, ladies and gentlemen. And we serve up the food, and we take your money and everything. It's nice. Come eat here anytime you want. But look at that. It's very nice. Hit it with a little bit of seasoning stuff, some garlic powder. Very yummy. Just yummy, yummy. Oh, no, we're not done. Check that out. Oh, add a little bit. Yes, do a little mixology. Look at that. Very nice. Wow. There you go. You know what's in it. Let's take a little walk around the park here. See? I don't know, there's no green peas in it or anything, but it looks pretty good to me. Not too shabby. All right, question is, would you eat that? All right, yummy. Oh, delicious. Won't have this for a while, but I do have some shrimp left over I got to do something with. But look at this yumminess. Very good. I mean, it took me I ate all of it. It was difficult, but I did. Anyway, thanks for popping in. You'll never get these couple minutes back. No way. No way. Anyway, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you want. Tell you what. Whew, I'm out of here.